This drink is said to make you so beautiful that everyone will fall in love with you.
This foraged infusion is made from cleavers, also known as sticky willy. Its lymph node cleansing properties and high vitamin C content make it the perfect ingredient for a refreshing spring tonic. Cleavers grow abundantly under hedges and along roadsides and are often found growing with nettles. It's that plant that sticks to you when you brush past it. You can use cleavers by making a cold infusion to flush out all of the toxins from your body after a long winter. Just pick your cleavers, wash them and add them to a glass of cold water. Leave them in the fridge to infuse overnight. Cleavers have a refreshing cucumber flavour, so you can drink this as is, but I like to add some mint leaves from the garden and a squeeze of lime. Let me know if you try it and if everyone starts to fall in love with you.